What's up, fam? This is your boy El Jefe, and I'm here to bring you episode 1 of a brand new series that I'm starting on my channel. So this is going to be the budget audiophile or audio enthusiast series. So this is going to be something that I'm going to bring to you guys hopefully a couple of times a month, where we're going to talk about some budget options for wired headphones. Now, I know normally you guys are here to check out true wireless earbuds or Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth speakers, but I want to do something for those who are interested in sound quality from wired products. So whether they're in-ear monitors, wired earbuds, or wired headphones, this is what this series is about. But today, let's talk about some cans that I picked up that are super solid. So these ones are the Monoprice Modern Retro. You can pick these up on Amazon for right around 35 bucks, and I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in that. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, I did go ahead and buy these headphones on my own with my own money for the purposes of this review and for my own listening pleasure. But if this is your first time here and you're not sure about how I do things, whether I go out and buy the product myself or if a company sends it out to me, I'm always going to keep it 100% real with you guys and let you know whether or not it's worth your hard-earned money. So with that said, let's get right into it. Now, let's talk about the things that I don't like, and then we'll get into the things that I do like. It's a short list. So the first gripe that I have with the Monoprice Retros is going to be the fact that they have no headband padding. Now, it's not a huge deal. It's just a small of a nitpicky kind of thing. It only really applies to me or anybody else who shaves their head on a long listening session, because there's no padding. It's just like a leathery, plasticky type headband across the top. I tend to get sweaty under there. Not a cool feeling, but you know, they could have put something under there. So it's easily fixed. I'm going to throw some, a bit of material, maybe terry cloth or something under there to resolve the issue, but I figured I'd throw that out there for you guys. Secondly, it's the non-removable cable. Now, I shouldn't be complaining at 35 bucks, but if this cable gets messed up or if it gets ripped out, there's really no way of fixing that unless I really want to get, MacGyver with it and really try to fix them. It's kind of not worth it. But I figured I'd throw that out there. It's something that I appreciate, having a removable cable where you can replace it if something goes bad, or if you want a longer cable or maybe even a higher quality one. It's always nice to have that option. Unfortunately with these, simply not. But that pretty much wraps up the things I don't like about them. Now, for the things that I do like, these are extremely lightweight. So, you can wear them for super long listening sessions or even gaming sessions or watching movies or whatever you might be, monitor audio or video editing, whatever it is. The lightweight, the comfort of them means you can listen to them and wear them for a long period of time without any sort of fatigue. Now, they're completely over ear, so they totally encompass your ear with the stock ear pads. And the stock ear pads they come with are fairly comfortable. They call them split leather. They're sort of like that PU leather or polyurethane leather. For me, they sort of tend to make me sweat a little bit too much. So the beauty of these is that you can swap out the ear pads. So what I went ahead and did was I swapped them out for the Brainwavz XL round micro suede ear pads. If you guys are interested in those, they run about 30 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure you guys check those out if you're interested in those. But once I put those on these, man, I could wear these like indefinitely and it won't be any issues. So super comfortable, nice and plush. They don't make me sweat a bunch, and the sound quality is perfect. And then last but not least, let's talk about the sound quality. So these are packing 50mm drivers, and they have a good balanced sound. It isn't like clinical or super flat, because you still got some really good bass and some very bright highs, and they do get plenty loud if you pump them up. They also respond really well to being run through a small amplifier. So whether you run them through like a small DAC, or if you want to run them like I do, through a small tube amp, they do respond really well to the extra juice. But overall, the sound quality, the bass was definitely more than I had expected out of these, especially at this price range. Nice and deep. They hit some bass that I thought was as good or better than some other wired headphones that go for, 75 or even 100 or even a little bit more. So really caught me off guard. So overall, if you're in the market for a set of wired headphones that are under 40 bucks, then you guys should definitely keep the Monoprice Modern Retros in mind. Sound quality is there, the comfort is there. You can easily swap out the ear pads with whatever you want from a bunch of different brands, so very versatile. Overall, I'm really happy with these. I actually use these specifically for gaming. I actually have these wired into my Xbox One controller, and for long gaming sessions, these things are perfect. So with that said, what do you guys think? Are you guys into wired headphones? Are you guys into these types of options? Let me know down in the comment section. Do you guys want to see more videos on this budget audiophile audio enthusiast series? Let me know. I'd love to hear your feedback. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys didn't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. There's always one or two of you out there. And I don't want you feeling left out. And if you haven't done so already, consider joining the fam. Hit that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. And if you're into this type of content, you're into headphones and speakers and earbuds and all this sort of stuff, I'll leave some videos up here on the screen for you to check out. Click on those, leave me a comment, just say what's up in the comment section. Now, I hope I brought you guys some good value today. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video.